The wait is almost over, and Samsung fans can now look forward to a specific date. Earlier this month, trusted tipster Ice Universe made a major claim that Samsung is preparing to debut its next non-foldable flagship lineup, the Galaxy S26 series, on February 25, 2026 in San Francisco, United States. Evan Blast, a well-known leaker, has stepped in and confirmed the accuracy of Ice Universe's information on X. According to him, the debut date is set for February 25. His statements were firm and straightforward, stating that the date is absolutely correct and can be relied on without question. So, if you've been waiting for the Galaxy S26 series, now is your time. The next Galaxy Unpacked event is officially scheduled for February 25, 2026. When it comes to purchasing the phones, previous rumors indicate that Samsung intends to launch sales in early March. However, there's a catch. According to multiple sources, the Galaxy S26 lineup could cost more than the Galaxy S25 series. This increase is projected despite the fact that major hardware upgrades may be constrained, owing to the rapid rise in smartphone component costs, particularly due to continuous memory shortages. In short, the launch date appears set, the excitement is building, but your wallet may feel it as well. A new wave of color is creating the S26 Ultra's personality, and it appears like Samsung is preparing for something bigger than normal. The first signs from Ice Universe imply a blend of traditional beauty and a daring new attitude, and the anticipation is already mounting. Early details confirm white and silver as the primary finishes. Both have Samsung's signature clean, premium design, with polished metal tones that instantly communicate extreme quality. However, the new purple finish receives the majority of the attention. The manner it's being promoted suggests that Samsung wants this one to steal the show. Expect a deeper, richer purple that stands out in marketing images and looks great on retail shelves. Then follows the second wave of information. After weeks of rumors, Samsung has officially confirmed the Exynos 2600 and its forthcoming release. A little teaser trailer provided our first official peek. It begins with Samsung admitting the inadequacies of prior Exynos CPUs with the sentence, "In silence, we listened," before turning into confidence with lines like "honed at the core and optimized at every level." The Exynos 2600 is projected to be the first 2nm smartphone chipset to hit the market. Early tests reveal that it can compete directly with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Samsung intends to launch this chip with the Galaxy S26 range, however it will not be available in all regions. With a new trademark color and a next-generation chipset, the S26 Ultra is poised to give a bold identity supported by real power. Samsung's newest non-foldable flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is available in a dazzling variety of colors. If black is your style, you can choose between two sleek options, jet black and titanium black. Jet black stands out with a completely black screen and frame, whereas titanium black combines a black panel with a silver frame, giving each a distinct vibe. Even among blacks, different colors tell their own stories. But things could get much more intriguing with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the company's future non-foldable flagship. According to Ice Universe on X, the Galaxy S26 Ultra's Black Edition will have a black frame rather than silver, like the titanium black of the S25 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.